Hi, this is Priya Datta. I'm one of the IT trainers in the information technology industry, and I have been training various Windows and web-based technologies like that of Visual Studio.net, SQL Server.net, Microsoft Visual C#.net, and Azure. And this tutorial is meant and focused mainly on the structured query language, and is intended to create a set of very important multiple choice questions that's frequently asked in the screening rounds of the interviews when the professional go for their interview rounds. So now here what initially this tutorial will focus on what is called the structured query language, then followed by the basic needs of the particular learning requirement for the language. Then it will focus on the types of advantages, then followed by the application fields, and then I'll sort out the set of the topics that will be covered in the chapters. Now let us focus initially on what is called an SQL. So SQL is used for accessing, manipulating, and communicating with the database. Almost every function such as retrieving data from the database, creating a new database, manipulating data, and databases such as insertion, deletion, updations can be performed using SQL. It's an user-friendly and domain-specific language. Now, need of an SQL. It's widely used in business intelligence tools. Data manipulation and data testing are done through SQL. Data science tools depends highly on SQL. Big data tools such as Hadoop, Spark, Impala are dependent on SQL. It's one of the demanding industrial skills. Now let's focus on the advantage of SQL. So SQL has many advantages which makes it popular and highly demanded. It's reliable and efficient language used for communicating with the database. Some advantages of SQL are as follows. The faster query processing, large amount of data is retrieved quickly and efficiently. Operations like insert or deletion, manipulation of data is also done in almost no time. And the no coding skills. For data restriction, large amount of lines of code is not required. All the basic keywords such as deletion, insertion, updation, etc. used. All syntactic rules are not complex in SQL, which makes it a user-friendly language. So next is the standardized language. Due to the documentation and long establishment over years, it provides a uniform platform worldwide to all its users. Portability. It can be used in programs in PCs, servers, laptops, independent of any platform, operating system, etc. Also, it can be embedded with other applications such as per our requirements and needs and usage. Interactive language. It's easy to learn and understand, and answers to complex queries can be retrieved and can be received in seconds. And the multiple data characteristics. Sharing members at the same generation level using generation preferences to create same generation standard shares. Second important point, sharing members at different generations. Third important point, sharing no level, zero level members. Fourth important point, building multiple roll-ups by using level references. And fifth importantly, the creating shared roll-ups from the multiple data shares. These multiple data view characteristics will be understood in detail when you focus on the SQL Server point of view. Now the applications of SQL. And SQL is used by the developers and database administrators in writing in writing data integrated scripts. It's used in dealings with the data and the data analytics queries to analyze the data and to get instinct from it. Retrieving the information, the modification, manipulation of data, and data tables such as insertion, deletion, updation. And some of the important topics that will be covered are the key elements of a database, relational keys, SQL queries, joins, data modeling, facts and dimensional, table types, data definition languages, and data manipulation languages. So these are all of the things that will be covered up in these particular chapters, and it's going to be very crucial for the professionals for their interview point of view to learn all these things. Thank you. All the best.